Welcome to Ham Shack Reviews. My name is Vince, and today I'm going to do a quick introduction to Rufzxp. It's a CW learning program, and it's one of the few programs that they use in CW Academy, so that alone should tell you it's a pretty good program. First thing you want to do is open a browser and type in Rufzxp and hit enter. Should be your top choice up here. You click on this, and this gives you some information about it. Oh, I don't see my downloads down here, so let me shrink my page down a little bit. Okay, there it is. After you read this information, you got a kind of an idea what you're doing. You come down here to downloads, and it'll give you two versions here. One's a self-extract and one's kind of a manual install. I'm going to go with the self-extract. Hit that. Open it up. I get the warning there. Get this asking me if I want English. And I do. I'm going to follow the prompts. And I'm finished. Okay, I want English. And here it is. Click OK. It gives you a K in code. Up here where it says default call, you want to change it to your call. And I'll show you why in a minute. Then you want to change your character per minute to word per minute. And I'm not going to set it. I'm going to set as low as it goes for this. Let me do a 10. 8 seems a little low. For this demonstration. These other ones are okay. I'm not going to mess with any of these right now. And I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click don't show this again because I don't want to see it again. And here's my thing. Now if you want to make it larger, you can't. So you can make your background like knock everything else out, but this box doesn't get any larger. Now as a default, it opens you up on callsign practice. So what we're going to do, we're going to click start. Now you're going to see your callsign in here because we put it in default. Just click behind it, click enter. Now you're going to see it start on the 10 words per minute. Now as soon as I click enter, it's going to start sending me a code. So I'm going to have to do this pretty quick here. Well, not real quick, it's only 10 words per minute. Okay, I'm going to click that. I'm going to let this one go. Now you can see this one here on the left where the call sign that I first typed in was. This is the one they sent, and this is what I typed in, so they're all green. Now if I missed a letter, it would be red, telling you missed it. And up here, you would get a wrong call, and the number would go up. Right down here, you can see I'm on call 2 of 50. But I didn't copy number 2 because I wanted you to see what it's like when you make a mistake. Turn the volume down to here. Alright, leave it where it was. So now I'm just going to type something in, and I know it's wrong because I didn't even copy. And I'm going to hit enter, and it's automatically going to give me the next call, but it's going to show you where they're all red. Now on this call, I only copied a couple of the letters, so I could show you how it'll mark the ones, just the ones that are wrong. So now I'm going to click enter. Okay, now you can see the L was wrong, but the B or the 8O was correct, and then these other two here were wrong. And that's it. You just keep going. You can increase your speed. Actually, every time you complete a correct call sign, that's my duck phone. Every time you complete a correct call sign, it will get faster, and it will keep going faster till you make a mistake. Then it will start to slow down, and then when you get them right, it'll start to go faster again. This is to kind of push you to increase your speed, and it actually works. Now, if you want to do something other than call signs, you're going to have to get out of here. I'm going to do yes, cancel. Okay, and now we're out. You'll see it says start over. I'm going to shrink this down because these things are up here. Click mode, then you can click this, then you click mode again, come down to settings. Now you see you can pick the letters you want, you can pick the numbers you want, and you can pick the special characters you want. Now I only know a few characters, so I'm going to delete some of the ones I don't know that I can see. I actually know the column, but I don't want to do it for the demonstration. Now up here, I want the length to be fixed, and I'm going to put it on 4 for demonstration. Over here is the groups. You can have them mixed, you can have them standard. And then as far as speed, you can have it fixed, or you can have it variable, which I like to leave it on. And then you get some other settings down here, which as you advance, you may get into them. You can pick the number of groups it's going to give you. I got it on 20, but we're only going to do a couple for the demonstration. Then I'm going to click OK. Then we got to click start again. Come over here. Enter. Enter. Okay, so that gave me all special characters. I'm going to click that in. Now as you can see, I got them all 4 right, so they're all there. Now I didn't copy these ones, and I'm just going to put a couple letters in, and I'm going to hit enter. And you see I got them all wrong, and I knew that. But on this one, I got them all right, and when I click enter, it was giving me my next one, which I didn't copy, but I want to show you up here. This is what it sent, and this is what it gave me. Now if you want to do something else, you can come up here to mode, and you still got contests, which will let you practice the call sign, the exchange, and the RST. Plus I believe it also gives you pile-ups or single calls. It gives you band conditions like QRN and QRM. And then you got HST, but when you click on one of these, you're going to have to set a password. I haven't got that far yet, so I'm still finishing up CW Academy, plus I'm doing another program, plus the ICR, so I'm pretty busy. And pretty much that's all it is to get started with Rufzxp. It's a great program, and give it a try. See what you think of it. Always subscribe. You got to catch my next video. And ding that bell to make sure you don't miss it. 73s.